What up, YouTube? It's your boy Buck back, man, at the range, man. And today, an oldie but goodie, the best damn 22 LR pistol on the market. Handy dandy Taurus TX22. I've had this pistol for quite a while. Bought it back in 2021. Probably got it close to 50,000 rounds. Everybody's comparing this, well, their 22 long rifles to the Taurus TX22. I just think this is the best one. I see Smith & Wesson just came out with a new X22X. I saw that on another channel, and I was like, I've never done a video on the Taurus TX22. Well, today's that day, and we're running some Winchester white box and some Aguila high velocity 22 LR, copper jacketed. Get suited up, get my ears on, be right back. All right, all loaded up. Let's do some shooting. Got the Winchester white box loaded up first. I know y'all been fussing at me about quitting smoking. I'm working on it. I got some chances, man. Just haven't started them yet. Well, here we go. Shooting from about 15 yards. And true Winchester white box. Again, I hate Winchester white box. I haven't cleaned this thing in maybe 2 years. That could be an issue. Still with Winchester white box, second magazine. I'm all over the place. Not bad. Bag number 3, still Winchester white box. Bag number 4. And anybody who has a 22 knows that it's just too much fun not to have more than 1 or 2 mags. So 4 still goes by fast. That's 64 rounds in less than a couple of minutes. And then I gotta do the fun part of reloading it with the little pull tabs, which are okay, but the little loader that comes with it sucks. So those of you who have one know what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, that's 64 rounds down. Gonna load it up again and come right back at you. All right, all loaded back up with the Aguila high velocity 40 grain. I forgot to mention they were 40 grain. I usually don't have any issue with the Aguilas. Run pretty good. They're just dirty, super dirty, super dirty. You'll be able to see it. So, gonna run 64 of these. Hopefully, we don't have any issues like the Winchester white box, but I'm sure that was the ammo. Let's go. Smoky. Let's put it on a little bit of steel. Still at 15. Oh, got a stovepipe. I think I need to clean it. Do that when I get home. Yeah, she's super dirty. Filthy nasty. Filthy. Dirty, dirty. I should really clean it. I'm gonna load up a little bit more. Now I'm gonna mix them up. Run a mixture of the Winchester white box and a mixture of the Aguilas in the same mags, and maybe 2 mags, mix-ups, and 1 mag of Winchester and 1 mag of Aguila. Be right back. All right, I'm back. I'm gonna start off with the mixed batch. 22 LR, still at 15. Really don't need them, but gonna use them. Here we go. Another mixed batch. Pike. Winchester white box. Shocking. Aguila high velocity, 40 grain. All clear. And that's the best damn 22 LR pistol on the market, people. Taurus TX22. Say what you want to say about Taurus, but that damn TX22 runs. Y'all already know them 15, 16 people that watch me every video. You want something from the store? Your boy still got you. Have a blessed one.